I'm a bad boy. Bad boys, what you gonna do when Shay John comes for your pee-pee? Alright, here we go. You are given the chance to wipe. I don't know what that is, okay. You know all foreign languages you want to know, but you can only talk 500 words a day. 500 words. What, like, of the foreign language? Okay. 1 year is absolutely perfect. You get riches, power, love, respect, and success. But the next year is truly awful. You are hated, weak, poor. No, the fuck? Fuck, stupid. You be anywhere you want, but you have to be a pony forever. I can just walk my way around. That's stupid as fuck. You have the ability to travel back in time, but you cannot go forth again. No. I don't want to go back to my past. I'm happy for who I am now. My past is traumatic. Y'all don't want to know what happened in my past. You gain any superpower of your choosing, but all of Africa dies. Yeah. Anyone that... No, wait! I said... Oh. 55% of people press the button. I don't want to live anymore. 55 fucking evil motherfuckers. Holy shit. What the fuck is wrong with people? I love these comments, man. Oh my god. 11 years ago. Crazy. I guarantee you. Never mind. You get everything you ask for, but you know what's crazy, bro? My old I used to have like a profile for this. Hold on. I think I could actually... Hold on. I can log in real quick. Hold on. I have an account. I have an X profile picture when I was a huge X fanboy back in the day, bro. I was a huge X fanboy. Give me 1 second. I made dilemmas too. Like I made one. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, 774. Yeah, look. See, I was an X fanboy back in the day. You see, I was an X fanboy back in the day, bro. Crazy. Dude, I forgot I made dilemmas back in the day. Hold on, let's go check out my dilemmas. Connor McDavid will win a cup, but who... What? Why the fuck did I make this? Connor McDavid will win a cup. He should have won that game 7, bro. The fucking Panthers won. You have a machine in your room that can give you anything you want when you want something, but every time you ask for something, randomly kills the person that will only you can use the machine. Damn, this was only 3 months ago. How many people? Not bad. I think I had one that actually had a lot of people engage with it. You have to kill Trump. I don't care about politics, by the way. I used to fucking just be obsessed with like random. I used to be a weird ass person back in the day. Everything you buy, just like X, it's crazy how everything's connected. X was weird back in the day. I was weird back in the day. People actually voted on that shit. Hold on, chat. We'll get back to doing the normal thing. I just want to look at all my dilemmas. Everything you buy is Fred. Hold on, I think it's this one. Yes, this one. I actually had a lot of people interact with that one. All right, let's go. Let's get back to playing. All right, fuck off. 2 people of your choosing. You could choose yourself, become immortal. Why do people think immortality is like a fucking benefit, bro? Why do people think immortality is a good thing? That shit sucks. Do people actually think immortality is fucking good? No. Why do people think immortality is fucking... I don't want to be here my entire life. The fuck? I hate this world already. I wouldn't mind dying now. I'm kidding. I want to just be happy. You're a handsome, wealthy man, have a long life. I'm already crazy, so... You're the smartest person in the world. Already am smart, so... Why the fuck did I click that button? You change any one decision from your past. You have to spend the rest of your life... No, because everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. I'm who I am for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Everything that has happened has led to now. Everything happens for a reason, literally. You can lift, push, or pull objects 10 times your weight, but you have unremovable hair in your palms. Okay. I don't see the problem with that. I wouldn't mind hair on my hands. I'm a guy. You turn into a cockroach. My cock. You get to be... But you be a golden plated cock... Wait. What? I don't want to be a cockroach. I don't want people to step on me. You get to play whatever video game you want, whenever you want, but you can only play one video game the rest of your life. I got money, so... Totally did not flex on you guys. You become immortal. Why do people think immortality is a flex? This guy said it best. Why do people think immortality is a flex? No. Read people's minds, but get a massive headache after. I don't want to know what goes on in other people's minds. No. People be thinking weird ass shit. I mean, you guys don't want to know what goes in my mind, but still, no. You will end world hunger, but you'll never be able to eat your favorite foods again, just the boring ones. I'm sorry, but I'm already a hero, guys. I'm already Batman himself. They call me Batman for a reason. No. I'm sorry. No. You guys call me fucked up. I'm sorry. No. Acquire the ability to speak fluently every language that's foreign to you, but you forget how to speak your native language. I don't want to learn foreign languages. No. You can never feel pain, physical or emotional. Also, you could tell when you would get damaged by something like pain. No, fuck no. The fuck is wrong with people? A cure for cancer will be scared, but every time somebody's cancer is cured, you get their cancer. I always like reading the comments, bro. I'm that type of person that always reads the comments on like fucking like videos and shit and everything. Every time somebody's cancer is cured, you get their cancer. Fuck is this? You get all the games, TV shows, and movies you want for free, but you can never leave your house. I never leave my house. Where's the downside? I never go outside. The fuck? I'm a fucking junkie, man. You guys see how pale I am, bro? Guys, I get sunlight all the time. I don't want to hear it. Where's the downside? Your favorite character comes... I don't think anyone likes leaving their house nowadays, bro. This world's so cold. Your favorite character comes to life, but she's completely out of character. Don't care. You can read every person's mind, but everyone can read your mind. I want them to read my mind. Yet, I actually want people to know what goes on my mind. I'm going to go to jail. I'm going to go to prison. You have your dream job working from home, but you have to use Internet Explorer. I already have my dream job right now. Cure cancer, but you can never play video games again. Video games are pretty shit now, and I'm gonna be for real. I don't even enjoy playing video games. I know I do it for content on my channel, but I make music, bro. So I'm okay with this. That first comment though, damn. You know when anyone will die, but you can't tell anyone? Fuck yeah. Where's the downside? That's actually cool. You'll be the most powerful person in the universe and even more powerful than Goku, but you will be the ugliest person ever lived and you will never get a partner in your life. No. You gain the ability to turn back by 10 seconds, but every time you use this ability, a random married person has to cheat on it. I don't want to go back in time now. You will never die from natural causes, but you age like a normal person. Wait, what? What do the comments say? Where's the downside? That doesn't even make sense. You learn with 100% certainty that everything about your own concept of religion is true. You're incapable of proving its truth to anyone. These comments are so fucking corny, man. Okay. You can switch your gender anytime. No. The flag. Yeah. Wrong timing for the ad. You have the power to bring back one great musician from the past that died. John Lennon, but they can only sing Justin Bieber's. No. Stupid. You travel through time anywhere you want, wherever you go. Everyone thinks you're a huge douchebag, wants to kill you. I'm already a douchebag. Look at me, bro. I'm a bad boy. Bad boys, what you gonna do when Sher John comes for your pee-pee? Blah, 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 blah. Where's the downside? I'm already a douchebag. I'm actually a good person, guys. Don't let my shirt dictate who I am. You have an infinite supply of plain tortillas, but you never have any dip. Where's the downside? Fuck yeah. Well, they conspire. Every time you piss, it smells like... That's disgusting. Fried chicken, that doesn't even know. Well, fried chicken smells good, but just the idea of smelling it from my piss, that's disgusting. No. You're always immediately seated and tended to by the waitress. Your food is always delayed by at least 10 minutes. Okay. The Beals come back, but there's no more Dora. Fuck yeah. Beals, fuck yeah. You're the greatest programmer in the world, but you can only program Candy Crush spin-offs. No. How am I the greatest programmer in the world if I'm just going to make shitty spin-offs? You can eat whatever you want, not get fat. Or you can never watch porn, masturbate, have sex again. These comments are so goddamn corny, man. Oh my god. These comments are so fucking corny. It's so ridiculous. So corny. You can eat whatever you want, not get fat, but you can never watch porn, masturbate, have sex again. I have a high metabolism, so I'm just not going to click anything for that. You have the power to heal any wound on every person, no matter how serious, as long as that person's still alive, but your wounds no longer heal. Well, I mean, like... Nah. You can have every girl you want, whenever you want, but you have to kill your mom and dad. Motherfucker thinks he's Batman. I'm Batman. My parents aren't dead. No. I love my mom and dad. You live without ever experiencing physical pain again. But you have to live without ever... No. You get superhuman powers of you're choosing, but you can only use them when you're naked so no one can see you. Okay. I want them to see my hairy pee-pee. No more racism or intolerant minorities on the earth. Every harmony. The whole universe needs to be taught. No. You would write a best-selling novel, but you have an ugly scar across your face. Dude, scars are fucking cool as shit. On God, that man knows what's up. Taylor Martin, you know what's up. Dude, I see, but you know what's, here's the thing about scars, though, bro. Some motherfuckers put, like, they get, like, tattoos. Like, who the fuck, I saw this one, like, TikToker, they like, put, like, a tattoo of, like, a scar. That's so fucking stupid. Scars are fucking cool as shit. Dude, I actually hope, like, I don't want to manifest it. I don't want to speak that in existence, but it's, like, I wouldn't mind if I end up somehow getting a scar in the future. I think scars are cool as fuck. Fuck yeah. I think scars are cool as fuck. I wouldn't mind having a scar. I actually have... Well, it's not really a scar. It's more so... There's like a little... It's gone. Well, actually, hold on. I think you guys can see it. There used to be like a little bump on my head. I don't know. You can walk through walls and fly, but you become blind. Wait. Fuck. You become the smartest person on earth. I already did that one. You will forever remain young and healthy, but nothing can kill you except bullets, but you passively track bullets. Fuck no. I'm bulletproof. You'll be able to heal anyone. Why am I getting the same ones? You can choose to save the life of any loved one or friend at will, but they would no longer remember who you are. I don't have any friends. You would be a star, but you would be a porn star. Fuck yeah. You'll be able to read other people's minds, but they will also be able to read yours. Wait. I'm getting the same fucking ones. You can live any game of your choice, but you just have one life. You can go back in time, return. Anything you do will change the future, not just your... You'll be given the ability to die and come back to life in 3 days. I don't know. When you press the button, you instantly gain 1 million. Is that 1 million? No. You have the power to alter anything in history. I don't know. Everything happens for a reason. You can read minds, but only when your heads are touching. No. You get unlimited supply. I'm getting like the same ones. Red Vine. Don't know what that is. You no longer fear anything for the rest of your life, but you have to live your worst fear and nightmare first. I'm okay with facing my demons. Fuck yeah. The weather will be sunny, warm, and glorious. Ice cream only comes in one flavor. Peanut butter. Wait. No, I don't. I like mixed weather. I don't want it to be sunny all the time. And plus, peanut butter is good. You fall asleep instantly and will always wake up feeling rested and refreshed. But you can only be awake for 12 hours a day. I like sleep. No. You create a very successful multi-billion-dollar company. I already did that. And you and all your employees become millionaires. But all your employees die at the age of 56 no matter what. But it's painless. I mean, whatever. Cast a film which guarantees every actor an Oscar win. Don't care. Wait. Fuck. You'll be rich and famous, but you can only say, I am rich and famous. Don't care. You always know what time it is, but you hear a ticking noise in your head forever. Dude, I have demons in my head, so it's like, I'm okay with that. It's a war in my mind, so I wouldn't mind hearing them. Actually, no, that would drive me nuts. Fuck. You get a private jet while the fuel. No downside? Wait, what? Knowing my luck, bro, I would get 50 the first time. Knowing my luck, I would get 50. Fuck no. You have the comfiest bed ever, but every TV you watch you can make anyone you want like you simply by talking to them, but you can only speak in memes. Alright. You can read minds, but you are deaf? No. Yeah, I like this. I like reading the comments. Any superpower you wish for, but everyone knows and wants your help. Fuck yeah, I get to save people, bitch. I'm literally Batman already, so. Being the game you love most with everything in it responds to weapon physics, but it's permanent. That man thinks he's the main character. I'm the main character, bitch. I'm the main character. I literally talk to God about this all the time. I'm literally the main character. I agree, God. I agree. This game is worth, but some of that dumbass tree. Fuck yeah. Chat, we'll do, what time is it? We'll play till like 1:15. You will live for thousands of years, but probably you will live as an adventure. No. You can go back in time and stop Hitler. No, everything happens for a reason, so no. You were famous, but you'll never find true love. I already found my true love. You can actually speak to animals, but only after becoming addicted to narcotics. You have access to any reading material at your fingertips, but you don't care. Wait, you can make the person that you love you too. No. You marry the person you love and live a happy life, but everyone else you know dies. You know what? Fuck it. Fucked. You get infinite money to mod your car, but it's not a manual transmit. Dude, who the fuck manual? I mean, look, like if you're a car junkie, all the fucking car junkies, you'd be like, yeah, of course you would say that. You're not a real car fan. I mean, look, I drive a fucking '08 SRT8, so it's like, I'm gonna be completely for real. I'm not a car guy. I just happen to own a Challenger. I bought one for like a steal. It's an '08 SRT8, the Hellcat before Hellcats. So it's automatic, but it's like, I don't care. I'm okay with this. You have the ability to breathe underwater, but it's only salt water. You can't swim super fast, and you can't talk to any of the wildlife that lives in the water. No. Fuck. I gotta read these more. You can turn invisible, but only when nobody's watching. Okay, I'm okay with that. Marry the woman of your dreams. Already did that. Within a year, she'll be... Already did that. She shits on my face every night, literally. Literally. Go to every anime universe you want, but you're stuck. No. You gain the ability to have perfectly accurate controllable. All the animals on Earth are replaced with Pokemon, but everyone has one except you. Okay. You will gain your freedoms. You have to stop using smartphones and Google services. Also, I don't have Facebook. You can eat your favorite food for free anytime you want, but each time you eat it, no matter how healthy, will shave a decade off your life. Fuck no. A decade? Fuck that. That's way too... No, life's too short already. Fuck no. Instantly have the exact amount of cash required. Dude, life is short. Like, now when I think about it, life is short. Life is short as shit. Instantly have the exact amount of cash required for any of your purchases in your pockets, but never have a girlfriend for the rest of your life. No. You get to have a solo on Broadway, but you have a bad cold that negatively affects your voice. The whole world gains a method for generating free, clean, unlimited energy. Whatever. You can lift, push, or pull objects 10 times your weight, but you have unremovable hair in your palms. Already did that one. You experience watching Breaking Bad again as if you have never seen it, but Jesse dies in the end. I'm gonna be completely for real. Am I the only one that never liked the show? I'm kidding. I thought the show was good. I just never got into it. I gotta watch it. So I'm just not gonna click anything for that. You will get paid $1,000 for every Sunday you go to church, but you have to start every sentence with, "Oh my God." Fuck yeah. Wait. You're fluent in every language, but your dialect is... who cares? Your body never feels pain, but your heart constantly does. Dude, my body's already in pain. No. You become the smartest... I like the pain. I like pain. It makes me feel good. You become the smartest man in the world. I already did this. You become filthy rich. I'm Jewish. No. You have good looks, but your biggest enemy is your boss for the rest of your life. Alright. You have one night with 3 swimsuit models to do whatever you want, but no one will ever believe you tell them. You can read minds at will, but you become illiterate. No. Wow. You can press any button on this website without side effects, become severely depressed. No. Don't care. You can go to Disney World whenever you want. I don't even like Disney World. For however long you want, it's free. I'd rather go to like some water park. Well, Disney World has water parks, right? I don't know. You never celebrate a public holiday again? No. Fuck no. You're guaranteed to survive the apocalypse, at which time you and whoever may have survived will be able to rebuild the world it is tomorrow. Or just don't click the button and it doesn't even happen. You always have high Wi-Fi, but whenever you watch a video, there's always a 5 minute. I swear, this is the one thing I hate about these comments. They always have like these loopholes to it. It just ruins the fun. Fuck it. You'll be able to be invisible, but stupid. You can shapeshift. I'm shapeshifting into these. But you can only turn into a couch, a lamp, a pair of shoes, a backpack, a beetle. Okay. You can play any instrument perfectly for the first time you pick it up, but you'll never become famous for playing it. No. You experience the most pleasant and relaxing. No. You become the main protagonist in a real life video game. The soundtrack is always unfitting. No one realizes the life is a game. Don't care. You talk to animals, but don't care. I'm out of it right now. We'll do 4 more. You talk to animals. Okay. You become fluent in every language. I did that one. School doesn't start until whatever you decide to wake up. You fail all your classes. I already graduated. You get to marry. We'll do 2 more. You get to marry your favorite celebrity and have a kid. No, they gotta be good ones though. Oh no. Alright, chat. Last one. You'll be teleported to the universe where people fight each other with monsters for fame and money, but you'll be 10 years old your whole life. Do I get to keep my knowledge though? That's the real question. Do I get to go back to being 10, but with my knowledge? I don't want to lose my knowledge. No. I don't want to lose all my knowledge I have. Fuck that. Fuck that. No. I don't want to be a little baby.